Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue we're going to go over how you replace this inner tail light, it's a clearance light, tail light, and the reverse light. To be able to replace those we need to take off some components on the inside. So first we'll pop the hatch. With the hatch up, there are two push clips that we need to pull out here, and a bolt in the handle, a screw in the handle that we got to take out. Where you just pull the top up and then you're able to pull the whole pin out. This one here. And then we have where the handle is, you want to remove. Once that screw is removed, now this little cover should come out. Pop that out, and then what you got to do, you got to work your way around and pop this whole cover away from the body. Once you work your way around to pop that cover off, now you can gain access to the lights themselves. So we have access to the light. This one is the reverse light. So I've twisted a quarter turn to the left and pull it out. And this is a 921. So you take your new 921 and then just place it back in here. So it snaps in, and then line up the holes where they need to be and tighten it up. And so that's how you replace the reverse light on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.